Yeah, but I'm really bad at planning these things out, like candlelight and pulling of rings out.
Maybe you should leave all the romantic stuff to me.
Some things never change, like the love that I feel for her. Some things stay the same, like a reindeer are easier. But if I commit and I go for it, I'll know what to say and do, right?
Some things never change,
and I'm holding on tight to you.
I can hear you, but I won't. Some look for trouble while others don't. There's 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whispers, which I wish would go away. I have had my adventure, I don't need something new. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you.